Hi. It can be challenging to automate the uploading of external files into a web-based application, but it's not impossible. The Executive Automats test automation tool makes this a breeze, enabling you to validate file upload functionality. In this video, I will show you how to upload an external file into Dynamics 365 Finance and Supply Chain Management. And play that test script back using the same file to validate that the file can still be uploaded. Okay, so let's get started. We'll use a customer record, and I have an existing one here. And actually this is a good opportunity to show you some other features of Executive Automats. So we have a script here that creates a new customer in all companies. Now we can clone that script and then edit the script, take out anything we don't need, and then we can extend it with attaching our file. So to clone a script, we select it and we can select clone at the top. We'll leave it into the same project, we'll give it a new name, create a customer. And then select clone. So that now creates a new script. So let's open our new script. Now looking through here, we don't need some of these steps that select a company. And we don't need the one that selects the data source. So our script will start from opening accounts receivable, customers, all customers. So we can easily delete these. Click on the remove button. Now let's delete those steps. As we go down the script, we can see we use a sequence number for the customer number. We use a sequence number for the customer name. We add an address, a phone number, go to credit and collections, add a credit limit, then we show the payment default tabs, select a method of payment, save and close, and this is our loop that loops around each entity, so we don't require that either. So let's remove. So this leaves us a script that should just create one customer in the default entity for the user. So it's really easy to extend scripts in Executive Automats. So we just need to find a space here where we're going to insert attaching our file. So we type the credit limit, show payment default. So we'll select here and we'll start adding our steps to attach the file from here. So let's create a new steps. Again, we don't need to re-record this whole script again. We can easily extend it, which saves a huge amount of time when creating scripts. Okay, so let's navigate to all customers, accounts receivable, all customers. We have a couple of tests here that we've done, so we could probably use one of those. Let's use the top one. As you can see, I'm not recording this at the moment. We have a line here where we're going to start our recording, but we need to get to the place. So we've got credit limit, and then we show payment defaults. So we should be able to just record attaching the external file from here. So if we select the record button, then we can select our attachments. As you can see now, it's putting each step in. We'll select new, and file, and then we can browse that for our file. We'll select this customer onboarding checklist. So that's uploaded. We'll open our attachments files tab, and we want to validate each time that this file is uploaded and is attached. So I'm going to save this as a variable. Let's save the file name here as a variable. We'll get value file name, and we'll save the variable as file name, and then we'll do a check here. So we'll check that, we'll inspect that the value of customer onboarding checklist is the same, so we can validate that the file actually has been uploaded. Else warn me saying file name incorrect, and create. Turn our variable picker off. So we can see now we've got get value file name, and then we've got the condition to inspect that element to validate it. Now we can save our file attachment and close. And then the script should carry on opening the payment defaults tab. So we don't need to record anymore. That's everything. You see we've got our file attached there. So we should be able to stop recording and close to go back to the script. So now we can see it's very easy to extend. Here we can see the steps starting at line 20 of attaching the file. We can see the upload file step here, and you can see here it is attached the actual file, and that's going to be reused when we play the script back. So let's do that now. We'll click start, play, and we'll play it in the foreground so you can see it run. Okay, so this will start executing our script. We give the customer account that uses our sequence number that we covered in previous videos, and we use the sequence number for the name as well. So now we've added our tax group and our customer group, an address and a phone number. So we should be able to save that. Okay, now we go to credit and collections, enter a credit limit. Now we attach the file, a new file, and we will select the browse. And now you can see it's actually put the file in, and then we do our validation, click save, and then the script continues with the original steps until it's finished. So the script is completed. Let's look at the history. You can see the script finished and was successful. We can drill down into each step that was taken. Here we can see where we uploaded our attachment. Here we got the variable name, customer onboarding checklist, and here we did the validation to make sure that the file name that was uploaded is the same as we expected, and then it concluded the script. So that's how easy it is to use external files and upload them as attachments in Dynamics. It also showed you how easy it was just to clone an existing script, remove what we don't need, so edit that script, and then extend that script without having to re-record the whole thing. In this example, the script was fairly short, but obviously a script could be a lot longer with maybe hundreds of steps. So I hope that was useful. Please do subscribe to the YouTube channel, as we'll be doing more videos in the future. Thanks for watching.